In the previous video, we compared three important measurements between the XV-01 and the XV-02. And I forgot I had one more rally car chassis, and that is the TT-02. So today in this video, let's go ahead and measure the weight, ground clearance, and also the wheel speed for this chassis. Let's get started. So we're going to weigh the TT-02 in both ounces and grams. It is 38.4 ounces or 1,090 grams. All right, let's measure the ground clearance for the TT-02. And it looks like it's going to be between 3 and 4. And from the previous test, we know that at 3, it's 13 millimeters, and at 4, it's 14 millimeters. So we're very close to what the XV-01 was, but far short from the XV-02. All right, the TT-02 has the same electronics as the XV-01. We have a Hobbywing 1060 ESC, a Tamiya brush motor, and we're using the same Reedy Wolfpack 2S light bulb as the other two. I have reflective tape on both the front and the rear tires. I'm going to take 5 measurements from each wheel and use the average to compare to the XV-01 and XV-02. All right, let's look at the numbers. Personally, I think the TT-02 is a viable alternative to the XV-01 and XV-02 for a rally car. Tell me what you think. Is the TT-02 good enough to compete with the XV-01 and XV-02? Or do you think it's going to get left in the dust? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.